Yes, actually, we remain pretty positive of the commodity space. I realize that China wants to stamp down on speculation, but they also realize that in order to keep overall inflation relatively contained, they need to continue to import more. And that is exactly what Premier Lee was talking about. Want to kind of import more commodities and have smoother process in terms of storage and transportation, and all of that basically translates into more demand for commodities. And it's not just China, right? It's U.S., Europe as well. These economies that are closer to herd immunity are likely to continue to see commodity demand rising. So I think this, as the global recovery continues, we shouldn't worry too much about commodities at the moment.
So, Ken, talk to me how you can take advantage of the market dynamics right now, and beyond inflation, what are some of the other market risks that investors need to be aware of right now?
Sure. This is kind of odd, right? Because previously we worried about inflation, and then we're worried about COVID. And actually, the return of COVID to a lot of places in Asia in particular helped to curb inflation fears. And so what do we want? Do we want to reopen, or are we just want no inflation? I think ultimately you will see. Well, you're already seeing it. The new case counts coming down in India and in most parts of Asia, even Japan. Taiwan and Malaysia still kind of at the highs, but I think that will eventually come down as well. And that's a movie we've seen before, right? It happened in the winter this past, and it also happened last third quarter when we had these waves. And then once the cases come down, you see the economic recovery back on track. So I think that's not something we need to worry about too extensively. At this point, I think you want to still chase after some of the deeper value, the more COVID impaired sectors such as airlines, travel and leisure. And we still think that China, because of all these regulations, have really hurt its tech sector performance in terms of equities, and that is something we're looking into as a buy dip kind of opportunity as well.